Hello, welcome to the vlog. So today we're going to unbox something. So I got a surprise in the mail from our friends at importbible.com. So this is gonna be installed in our 2018 Toyota CHR. Come on, let's unbox it. Okay, so let's unbox or unpack this one. If I can open it properly. Isn't there supposed to be something? Whatever. Let's just remove the plastic. If I get a scissor, I can open this. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, it says thank you. I appreciate your support, blah 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 blah. And they have a handwritten thank you card here. That's nice. Nice. I like that touch. Alright, so this is the Ressha Melody Box. So this is like the ETC card reader in Japan. But this one is not an ETC. Makes the melody on it. So it comes with the USB, the car charger, and the melody box. So there you go. So just simple. It just shows plug in, and basically that's it. Just press off a button. So there's a track list. It shows in here what chimes are we gonna get when we power on or turn on the car. So, and you can also put a reverse chime on it. So that's nice. I like that. So come on, let's quickly install this. Alright guys, so we're here in the garage now. So we're gonna install this Melody Box on our CHR. So come on, this will be a quick install. So it's a plug and play. So we're gonna go on the other side here because I'm planning to put it on the glove box compartment here. So yep, that's the plan. I'm gonna put it on the glove box compartment here. So I don't know if it's gonna be a good idea putting it there, but we're gonna try. If it's gonna be loud or what. I have a USB cable in there that runs from the back of my car stereo. So again, this is the Melody Box from Import Bible. So it has multiple tracks on it. So we're gonna try it. So first, let's find the USB cable. Let's plug it in there. So I can put the Melody Box inside or somewhere under the dash, somewhere in there. But this one, you just simply plug it in and switch. Oh, it's on. There you go. Arigato gozaimasu. So, I don't know, but let's try. "12 volts is active, so it's not supposed to be active, but we're gonna check." It's loud, huh? So it doesn't. So the goal is, when you're having something like this, is when you turn on the ignition, it should make that sound. It's not when it's plugged in. Let's see, let's test. Yeah, it's not supposed to have sound at all if it's off. So there's an active 12. This is an active 12 volt or active power. It's not supposed to be like that. We'll see. Yeah, it's active. I heard washing machine. Sorry. Yeah, so we're not gonna plug this in here because it's active. So we're gonna try the USB over there. If you can see it, it's dark, but yep, we're gonna plug it on the second USB in here. I'm sorry if it's dark because I don't have my phone with me. Yeah, so you know, the one over here, there's a USB in here under the dash, or on the dash, whatever. So we're gonna put it there instead of this one, so because it defeats the purpose of, yeah, it's not playing. So yep, so I'll be right back. Okay, so change of plan, because the USB under the dash is also like powered. Even it's an active power in there. Even it's turned off on the key ignition. So we're gonna try the auxiliary, the cigarette lighter port. So we're gonna try that one. We're just gonna plug it in there. Probably we're gonna wire the webcam on the other USB. All right. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna plug it in here. Yep. Oh, my webcam is not plugged in? Or my dash cam. It's supposed to be plugged in here. Okay, someone unplugged it. Probably when I had the service done, they unplugged it. Yeah, it's supposed to be plugged in here. But whatever, we're just gonna plug the Melody Box in here. So now, if we're gonna turn on the ignition, there you go. That works. So that's all we have to do. So now, let's work with the chimes. I don't know. I think these are the chimes at the train station on the box. So if you need to lower the volume, you just press and hold the left button in here. If you need to adjust the volume up, it's just this one, just press and hold. Just press and down. But if you want to go back to the other track, just press once, then skip forward. All right. So there's like, what, 24 train tracks in here, or chimes. So, yep, there you have it, guys. So whenever you turn on the car or what, it should. Let's go back to the something that says arigato. I think I'm just gonna put it here in the compartment here, center console. Why is it just repeating? Okay, we're too far. Oh, this is the reverse. Okay, okay. Import Bible automotive style. I think that's what he said. She said. Wow. Heartbreaker. Okay. Konnichiwa. I don't know what's the rest. Oh, basta. Yun yun. Okay. Seat belt something. Okay, so we're gonna use that. We're gonna adjust the volume up. And then we're gonna place it inside. And let's see if we can hear it when we turn it on. So we're gonna turn it off first. And now we're gonna turn it on. Okay, so you can hear it, but not that loud because it's inside. So if we adjust the volume up, now let's listen. That's loud. Okay, now let's put it back there. Let's close it. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Now let's listen to it. Wait. I don't like the... Let's just turn it on. There you go. Okay, I think that's perfect. I like it. So it's just inside the car, so I can hear it here on this sitting position. So I can hear it most likely on the driver's side. So yeah, so if you want to get this melody box, I'll put the link in the description down below. Again, importbible.com. Thank you. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you for supporting, and thank you for watching.